Welcome to the FY25 AutoCAD Global Launch presentation. My name is Shamdev, Product Marketing Manager for AutoCAD Desktop, and on behalf of the team, I'd like to welcome you to AutoCAD 2025.
From the beginnings of CAD to the advent of cloud, from introducing 3D to investing in AI, Autodesk has been on a journey delivering innovative solutions that inspire designs, connect teams, and accelerate creativity. And that journey continues with the latest release of AutoCAD. We've been unlocking insights and saving you time with automations. And now with Autodesk AI, it's time to take these capabilities to a whole new level. Let's start with one that will help you work more efficiently and stay focused on creating quality designs. Smart Blocks. Smart Blocks is a set of tools powered by machine learning technology that can quickly search for matching geometry to convert into blocks. Place and replace objects within your drawings, and scan for recognized objects to provide recommendations. Or Markup Assist, which simplifies the process of incorporating PDF or handwritten markups from collaborators, converting feedback from the original source to objects, and even using Autodesk AI to recommend and automate recognized actions within AutoCAD. There's also the built-in Autodesk Assistant and My Insights, features that help you work effectively with valuable information. These updated AI capabilities, along with many enhancements to features like Hatch, Activity Insights, and integration for Esri's ArcGIS base maps, allow you as designers and drafters to work smarter and accomplish tasks with precision. And you can further enhance this collaborative experience by bridging design data across CAD and BIM software with Autodesk Docs, our cloud-based common data environment, all while staying connected to one AutoCAD experience to share, review, and capture ideas on the go from anywhere on any device. Millions of users have put their trust in AutoCAD to power their creativity as they design and make amazing things day in and day out. And as good as it is, we feel like we're just getting started. Welcome to AutoCAD.
AutoCAD continues to deliver design and drafting capabilities trusted by millions. We're here not only to talk about what's new, but what we've included in recent releases of AutoCAD that can improve customer workflows. AutoCAD continues to drive three core pillars that we know are important to the work our users do day in and day out. AutoCAD accelerates creativity to help you focus on the details that matter most, staying connected with the teams no matter where you choose to work, and gives the flexibility to work the way you want. These three pillars are aligned to help customers achieve better outcomes using AutoCAD, to increase workload capacity, manage design and project complexity, reduce overall design time, and improve collaboration. Next, I'd like to welcome Kayla Tenodorio-Carty, Head of AutoCAD Marketing, to talk to you about the ways AutoCAD is positioned to accelerate creativity.
Thanks, Sham. By leveraging AI and performance enhancements, we're committed to helping you focus on what matters most, delivering innovative design solutions with precision and efficiency. And our engineers have been hard at work extracting every bit of performance out of each release of AutoCAD. And that keeps coming with 2025. I want to just share this quote from Marcus O'Brien, the Vice President of AutoCAD. Autodesk is committed to creating the most performant CAD tool in the market. What you'll see this year is we're delivering on this commitment. In AutoCAD 2025, on average, 2D files will now open 2 times faster when compared to AutoCAD 2024. This is a significant achievement by our engineers, which will save designers time over the course of each project they work on. And we didn't stop there. We've also improved features like Hatch. Customers will be delighted that in AutoCAD 2025, you now have the option to draw boundaries of your hatch after initiating the command, no longer having to rely on existing boundaries within the drawing canvas. And you can now create hatch textures along paths. These updates will support the customer outcome of helping designers reduce design time and improve readability in their drawings. Our team has been investing in AI to help you do more. And with the announcement of Autodesk AI, we can now tell you how AutoCAD has been supporting it. Our advancements in AI are helping customers to meet the moment, not just by increasing productivity, but by giving you tools that help you push the boundaries of what's possible. And with AutoCAD 2025, we're excited to bring you even more capabilities. Let me pass it back to Sham to tell you more about these advancements.
Thanks, Kayla. We first introduced Smart Blocks in AutoCAD 2024 with the placement and replacement features. These tools are designed to help customers increase workload capacity and reduce overall design time. And in AutoCAD 2025, we're continuing to leverage Autodesk AI to improve this core 2D drafting experience. Using the new Smart Blocks Search and Convert tool, users can quickly organize geometry into blocks, providing options to convert them into instances of a block with the help of Autodesk AI. After testing this feature during the beta, Joe describes Search and Convert as a more efficient way to work with blocks. With the new Smart Blocks Object Detection Tech Preview, customers can scan drawings for objects to convert into blocks. This tool is designed to help save time when cleaning up drawings that have been drafted without the use of blocks or imported from non-AutoCAD-based applications and file formats like PDF. First introduced in the 2024.1 update, Autodesk Assistant gives customers quick access to help resources using the built-in palette. With AutoCAD 2025, Autodesk Assistant is now enhanced with Autodesk AI, using a conversational interface that can generate responses. Customers can reduce overall design time by asking questions related to AutoCAD features, troubleshoot design challenges, and connect with an Autodesk support agent so they can continue to work without having to leave AutoCAD. Marcus described their experience as exactly what they would need from an AI assistant. Next, to talk about the connected design experience that AutoCAD enables, I'd like to welcome Luke Chomsky, Product Marketing Manager for AutoCAD Web.
AutoCAD enables you to work the way you want with one experience across devices, helping to improve collaboration. Whether you choose to work on a desktop, laptop, on the web, or using a mobile device, you'll be able to capture, share, and review ideas on the go. AutoCAD Web offers essential drafting and design capabilities for your everyday needs, allowing you to quickly collaborate on a design directly from the job site or wherever you're working. Bring teams together to review and edit CAD drawings via quick collaboration with AutoCAD users on designs. View, edit, markup, and share drawings from virtually any device, allowing you to make assessments and changes in the field, enabling real-time feedback and collaboration. Customers who have access to AutoCAD on desktop also have access to enhanced features on AutoCAD on the web, like AutoLisp, Batch Publish, and much more. With AutoCAD on mobile, you can view, edit, or contribute to a drawing from wherever you are, on your iOS or Android phones and tablets. You can also access your files offline, or sketch using a smart pen for a friendly on-the-go experience.
AutoCAD 2025 introduces several enhancements for customers who manage design projects using Autodesk Docs. Autodesk Docs is our cloud-based common data environment available for professionals as a part of the AEC collection. As you may have heard at OTC this year, Autodesk Docs is a great opportunity for AutoCAD customers to improve collaboration. The 2025 feature releases related to AutoCAD and Autodesk Docs represents an opportunity to encourage more customers to upgrade from AutoCAD to the AEC collection. With this release, architecture, engineering, and construction customers who use AutoCAD can experience enhanced capabilities with Autodesk Docs that will allow them to transform the way their teams work and experience digital project delivery. With Markup Import, you can now connect PDF files managed in Autodesk Docs that contain markups using the full set of markup tools available. This connection can be initiated from within AutoCAD by the designer or through Autodesk Docs by the project manager to continuously synchronize changes made by collaborators back to the original DWG. Activity insights have been enhanced to include over 35 event types, with detailed properties, along with the ability to filter by DWG version, which requires no additional setup or configuration for drawings managed on Autodesk docs. By merging features from the previous DWG history tool, Activity Insights in AutoCAD 2025 becomes the one source for exploring all drawing changes over the course of a design with robust file comparison capabilities. We've also added more capabilities that improve collaboration on files made with AutoCAD specialized toolsets, including Architecture and MEP, which now support automatic synchronization of projects hosted on Autodesk docs. We've reviewed the ways that AutoCAD supports productivity through performance enhancements, automations with the help of Autodesk AI, and enhanced collaboration using Autodesk docs. AutoCAD can also be tailored with functionality that fits discipline-specific routines and workflows. Autolisp has been used by CAD teams to automate tasks, set standards, and tailor workflows in AutoCAD. Customers can leverage thousands of previously written programs or create their own. Users can even run some of their routines on AutoCAD on the web and on AutoCAD LT. This is something that customers may not already be aware of since we released this capability in AutoCAD LT 2024, adding more value to the LT offering. With the Autodesk App Store, you can access over 1,000 third-party apps created to customize AutoCAD for specific workflows. And by leveraging the AutoCAD API, users can also create their own apps to list on the Autodesk App Store. Autodesk also partners up with industry leaders to bring valuable information directly into AutoCAD. With AutoCAD 2025, customers can now ground projects with real-world geographical information using Esri's ArcGIS base maps. With access to 5 base maps, AutoCAD provides AEC professionals with the foundations to make informed decisions. As with every release of AutoCAD, we want to remind you of the incredible value we're able to provide customers with specialized toolsets, included with every subscription to AutoCAD. Across 7 specialized toolsets, users saw an average productivity gain of 63% for tasks completed using enhanced features, functionality, and parts available for specific industry needs. Please be sure to review the AutoCAD 2025 release notes for more details on updates made to AutoCAD and the specialized toolsets. The AutoCAD 2025 portfolio represents capabilities trusted by millions and is designed to accelerate creativity with best-in-class tools for 2D drafting, design, and documentation, essential for everyday needs. For more information about what you learned today, and for a copy of this presentation, please visit the AutoCAD product page on OTS. This is your one-stop for all sales assets that we continue to add on and update throughout the year. Thank you for joining the AutoCAD FY25 Global Launch presentation.